Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, how to see your Instagram password. Okay, let's get started. First open your Instagram app and now click on the profile icon and click on the three dot line option and scroll down. Now click on the account center and scroll down. Click on the password and security. Click on the change password. Click on the Instagram and see current password. How to fix it? Okay. Next step, open your Google app and now click on the profile icon and manage your Google account and scroll down security and sign in. Scroll down, click on the password manager, see. Now click on the Instagram app and see your Instagram password. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.